I'm Sofia, and you're not alone. Okay, we are talking about visualization things. So, for example, you just don't say, I'm just going to try my best. No, because you say the word try, and that's when you get wrong, because you put yourself lower expectations, okay? So you say, I'm going to do it. And you just say, I'm just going to do it, because then the problem is this size. And if you say, oh my god, I have to do this, but I don't want to, but I do want to, but then you started thinking and then you messed up your mind and the problem became this size. So when you say, I'm just going to do it, I'm just going to do this important thing for me, so the problem became this size, and then you can solve it. Other thing, you start your day and you make a list about 10 things, 10 situations that may happen to you. For example, you're an adult. You may say, someone is going to cross my way in the hallway and they are going to yell at me. It happens through the day and you put a check mark on it and you say, it didn't happen. Funny. And you just don't feel angry anymore because someone yelled at you in the street. And for example, you start your day also saying, I am something positive. Because I am is the most powerful affirmation you can do about yourself. So you say, I am love, I am loved, I am my dreams becoming reality. And by saying, I am my dreams becoming reality, you visualize your dreams becoming reality. So you now have an image that can make it true, okay? So you have the image and you go for it. You just do it. It's really simple, and it's really all about the attitude and the visualization you take. If you say, today I'm going to try to have a 10 on math, then you may have an 8, but it's not a 10, because you may say, oh, I did my best at it, and no, you didn't. If you say, I'm going to have a 10 in math, I'm just going to do it, then the 10, it becomes this size, and you say, I can do this size. So you go and have your math test and get a 10, and you say, I don't know how to do it, I don't know how I did it, but you did it by having visualization and saying, I am getting a 10 in math today. So you visualize the 10, you visualize the exam, and you may say, oh, it's possible, it's not this size, because some people may say math is difficult, and it is, it might be. But if you say, I'm just going to have a 10 on math today, then it becomes this size, and you say, oh my god, I can do this size, and it's not so difficult, I mean, look at the size. So you go and get a 10. That's really simple, that's visualization, and that's having the attitude to do things the way you have to do it. So start your day, make a list of 10 things, 10 situations, don't call it problems, because then they are not a situation you can learn from it. They are problems, and you just look at it like this size, and you're this size, and you say, oh my god, I have a problem of this size. But no, if you say a situation, it becomes this size, and you say, I'm just going to do it, I'm just gonna get through this. So you go and get through this. Also remember, you don't have to react, you have to respond. The 90% of the people don't know the difference between responding and reacting. Reacting is when you get your emotions and then you do something impulsive. That's not good, because that's only gonna get you problems. But if you respond, you may have 3 seconds more. Only 3 seconds. You just take 3 seconds of thinking it, and don't let your emotions get over you. So you just go for it, and then you respond. Let me give you an example. You're fighting with your dad, and he started yelling. So you say, oh, he's yelling at me, I'm going to yell at him. And you yell at him. And remember, he's the authority, so he has all the power and he may win. So if you respond, let's put this another image. You are fighting with your dad. He started yelling. You respond. You have 3 seconds to say, okay, calm down. I'm not mad. I'm just responding. So you go to your dad and say, hey, let's calm down. We are just having a talk. Explain me why what I did is wrong. And then he might say, well, yeah, explaining it instead of yelling it is better. So you go, and there's the image. Your father will start talking to you, not yelling at you and not exploding, just having a normal conversation. That's what you get to do. And visualize always your dreamings becoming reality. Remember, wake every day, get your list of situations, maybe bad situations that may happen through the day, and then when they happen, you just put a check mark and say, funny, it happened, and don't let your emotions get through you. No one has no power over your emotions but you. Don't ever forget that. And the other thing you get to do when you wake up is say, I don't know, you have a big deal, like a big problem today, a big situation, you can learn from it. So you say, okay, today I am going to solve it. I'm just going to solve it. And then you are doing the most power affirmation from yourself. I am, and then going to do it. And then you say just going to do it. So the problem became small and you can handle it. That's it.